flirt for starters. Tell me, baby, can you take my order?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Stacey Cake, your host for What's Hot, and by the title you can tell I am in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Finally, I made it here. It's been on my bucket list for a few years now, but I'm here to celebrate my birthday. This vlog is really just jumping right into it. It took us like basically between the flight and just checking in and getting everything situated, it took us like 9 hours to get to this point. So we just came right in, dropped our stuff off, grabbed a double shot of Patron, got dressed, and we're headed to RosaNegra for the first night. My birthday was on the 22nd, so we're just celebrating. Now it's the 25th. We just going right into it. Hardcore, dressed up, you know the vibes. This is the fit. I have another shot of it. Pretty little thing on the body. Shoes are Akira. Good. So yeah, so we're heading there tonight, and I'll show you guys what we get, how it's gonna be. The resort is gorgeous. I'll do a little bit of a room tour tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see you guys at
Nunca será Nati ni seré tu tina. Gucci, Dior, baby, te ves fina. Qué pena que sea falsa, hecha en China. De pronto no era tan malo, ni tú tan buena como tú lo creías. En los fines pa' pasar la excusa, va a la disco pa' olvidarme de ella, baby.
Last night was a great first night. As you guys saw, we went to RosaNegra. The food was really good. The atmosphere was chef's kiss. And then I saw the little fire show and the light show that they did, and it was just a really good time. So I'm just excited to spend the first full day today at the resort. We're about to go to breakfast. I'm gonna put my contacts in and we're gonna hit the breakfast, hang by the pool a little bit, and then we're gonna go to Taboo beach club this evening. So yeah, it should be a fun day. I have my GoPro that I'm trying to use for the first time, so I have to get everything situated with that. It's pretty much set up. I just have to get the app on my phone, and then yeah, we'll see what it's shaking for. But there was room where we booked is the garden view, and so when we walk out, we're like right by a pool over here in a bar and pizza. It's not a restaurant, but a bar and pizza spot, a bar and pizza joint. So it's very convenient, and it's just a great view to just wake up and see. So I'm gonna finish getting myself together, and we're gonna go to Las Marias for breakfast, and that's an international breakfast buffet. Gracias.
Angel will be your attendant today.
Okay, thank you. Oh, so pretty. Alrighty guys, I'm on the GoPro. We are at Las Marias. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. For breakfast. So we're here for breakfast. This is the view. I have my cranberry mimosa. Janice is getting food. You know, I don't leave my drinks alone. So I'm waiting for her to get her food, and then I'm gonna go. But it's so gorgeous.
This one I bet you
Me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Baja. Big man, we do get Baja. What's it going? You are coming. All depends. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? You are coming. All depends. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. They give us everything when you do, they must commend it. Plenty survive. Just to make your
It's still pretty humid. It's still humid.
Another one, lady?
Yes.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
De nada.
It's still humid out. Really uncomfortable. And I ain't drinking yesterday, so.
Honestly, you know what it probably honestly is too? Being in South Carolina is probably just used to warm weather. Now, I'm taking it for granted. But when I was home like you, I wouldn't be like, oh, this.
We go court every while.
Niños? Niños? Niños. Niños?
Oh, niños?
Niños? No niños.
No niño.
Not this time, Next time.
Do you have niños? Do you have children?
Niño, no.
No.
Todavía no. Later.
Sí. Mismo.
Sí. Two children?
No. Same. No children.
Todavía no. Later?
Later.
Es bueno.
2 años.
2 años, maybe?
Oh, okay. Same.
Esta más responsabilidad.
No more drinking cervezas. No tequila, no más tequila.
Necesito el patrón.
Manzanita, hold on.
Whiskey and mineral water.
Mineral water and soda, apple soda.
Oh,
Different.
Yeah, es muy bueno.
Gracias.
gracias. Janice is killing me calling everybody Poppy.
They love it.
They do.
Honestly, way hotter than I thought it would be today.
Yeah, that's why I said it feels good to me. I can get in the
But
pool.
this is the coolest day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be lit.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola, how you doing?
Hola.
Bonita.
Gracias.
Ay, haven't seen this table.
Eso no es fácil.
Oh, Janice said, ay, ay, ay. Remember's on. Ooh, the view. Oh, it's a kitty. Look at the cat.
Good for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't remember learning orange juice in Espanol.
I tried to check before. I don't
good
feel
now?
the air.
One titty from the next titty is all the same titty.
Okay guys, we are at the adult pool area. This view is amazing. We have lounge chairs. Janice went to get us some towels. And yeah, it's a lot.
Go.
Gracias. We're fully in the environment. Fully immersed. Language, culture. All that jazz. Bottled water. You know they say to stick to the bottled water. Now let's get down here.
I'm offering to help
help you with the photos too.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I understood the assignment. You know, I'm that type of girl too that does the thing. So.
Girl power, I tell you.
Now I'm in the hot tub. Jacuzzi. Yo, don't she look like a rich auntie with her little hair clip? You get more of a life together vibes. I'm still getting my life together. You said it to So we're still at the adult pool area. I think the shrimp nachos, definitely 10 out of 10. I'm a little lit from the mimosas, but we here. Look at my glasses, crooked. That's a dead giveaway. She's lit. We have a buddy. He's easing his way over here because we have the shrimp tacos. If we feed him, it's a wrap. Alrighty guys, we freshened up. We're about to head to Taboo. But before we go, gotta take advantage of the all-inclusive. Got the double shot of Patron, little cranberry, and some limes. So, 1 for the road, 2 for the road. I took a full shot, you know. Alright. Second one. Cheers.
Se la aplicó. Dice, aquí le damos el rojo. Se va aprendiendo. Tiene buen maestro.
Made up in the circle. Why are you checking my cup?
Question, do you have any other restrictions?
No.
No? We serve any special today?
My birthday.
Birthday, congratulations, very nice.
25.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from a mile ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci, but the body Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Guys, it is our second full day in Cabo,
and I'm up. Last night we went to Taboo. I must say, y'all, I was a little disappointed. The atmosphere was beautiful, the ambiance was beautiful, but it just wasn't really lit. It was kind of dry. Like, there were a few people there, but the party vibe that I had seen during my research was not it. And it probably was just because it was a Sunday. But you know, in the DMV, Sundays be lit, especially like the day parties and stuff. So I was a little disappointed, but overall the food was good. It was overpriced, but so was everything. So, but it was good. And I didn't do any hookah because my friend doesn't smoke hookah, so it was $100. It would have been $100 just for me to do it by myself, so it wasn't really worth it. But today we're going to this presentation, you know, where they try to get you to do the timeshare, but we're only doing it because they'll give you like a discount on the excursions. So my friend convinced me to do it. I don't really want to do it, but the people we met last night said it was a good deal too. So we're gonna try it and get the little deal on the excursions because we want to do the ATVs and snorkeling off of the boat cruise. So that's what we're getting into this morning. And last night was fun too. We went to the bar after we got back from Taboo, and we got some free drinks. Hint, hint, wink. I can't even wink. Wink, wink. We got some free drinks, and which were already free, but men wanting to flex decided they wanted to buy shots anyway. So yeah, that was cool. And then I got another birthday celebration, a birthday surprise. So I got one at Taboo, and then I have one when we got back last night. So today, I'm trying to just cut back on the sugar and the drinking because I felt so blah last night. Just so much sugar, so much alcohol. So this morning I'm trying not to drink at all. Maybe I'll get something tonight, this evening for dinner. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. But they ain't have them. That's the issue. It would have been nice though. Okay guys, so things got a little turned around. As you can see, we're not at the presentation. So as soon as I got done recording a video telling you guys, oh, I'm about to go to the presentation, that we get a call and they're like, oh, it's not enough presenters to do the presentation. So basically, we rearranged our whole schedule to go to that presentation. Because we were supposed to do an excursion today, excursion tomorrow, and our last day, stay at the resort all day. Well, because of the issue with not enough presenters, we basically had to go. Well, my handy dandy partner in crime here was like, y'all go give us something for rearranging our whole schedule to come to this presentation. So we basically ended up just settling for a 15% off card so we can still get 15% off on our excursion. It's not as good of a deal as what they were going to offer us if we would have went to the presentation. But then they were like, oh, you can just go to the presentation at 8 a.m. tomorrow. We're not trying to wake up at 8 a.m. to go sit and watch something we can't sign for anyway because we're under 30. So yeah. So right now we're just at Il Inferno. It's the bar that I showed you guys previously right outside of our hotel room. It's a nice pool area, so we're just gonna enjoy some pizza and some tacos and then figure out the day, book our actual excursions that we were trying to do in the first place, and probably head downtown to the marina. So now what I do like about this hotel is that they have restaurants included in the all-inclusive that are downtown. So they call it the Golden Zone. So you guys can see here, like, these are all of the restaurants. So like if we go downtown, all of these restaurants are included in our all-inclusive. So we're gonna try to take advantage of that today. I think except the ones he's crossed out. But yeah, those are the premium all-inclusive, but the ones not crossed out are included in our normal all-inclusive package. So we're gonna try that out, see where we wanna book our spa package, because it's a place downtown too, but they said they had really good massages for $50. So we're gonna decide if we wanna do our massages here on the resort or if we wanna do them downtown. So yeah, that's where we are, but calming our nerves. I'm not drinking this morning, guys. I'm saving the tequila for later. I need to just detox at least for half of the day. And yeah,
excited to get this pizza. And oh yeah, they do have shuttles too that take us downtown. So we're gonna catch the shuttle, but they come like every 2 hours. So the next shuttle doesn't come until 12:30. So we'll see if we make that one and see how the day goes. Pizza has arrived. So that's the shrimp and pesto, and then I just got pepperoni. More water. It looks so good.
What is that? 3.5 hour flight? 4 hour flight?
Oh, longer. We stopped in Houston.
Oh, okay.
So total it was 7.5 hours.
How many hours flying from Maryland to Houston?
What? 3 hours? It was 3 hours.
And from Houston to here is 1.5?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a long one. You guys want to try something? You got something in mind? Or how can I help you with this?
I was thinking of maybe a mezcal or obviously a tequila.
Okay. It is for a gift or it's for yourself?
Possibly a gift.
Okay, look, for a gift, what I do sell the most, I do. Hey, here we are, Cabo San Lucas, the best liquor store. I'm sorry, the best church.
Don't say that.
We're praying right here, brothers. We're praying. This is tequila blanco, and it comes in a nice looking bottle. Mundo de Oro, something you're not gonna see in Cabo. Well, in US, only in Cabo. This one, and at least you tell me, oh, it's my boss, or I want to upgrade on the job. Yeah. So then we give you something high.
And then how much are these?
This is $53, or which will be 900 pesos. And this one right here will be 1,000 pesos or 59 US.
Is that hard to get through customs?
No. Because you are allowed to bring 2 liters per person, but the only hard thing will be put your bottles in your check luggage. Okay. So, but the good thing of this is the bottles that you buy with us, we wrap it through in a bottle wrap to protect your bottles.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Tequila tasting. Wait. It's not tequila tasting. Mexican holy water tasting. Different.
Mexican holy water.
Because we are in the church liquor store.
What does that mean?
It's just a church. You're gonna pray for don't get hungover tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pressure, you know.
This is the Código 1316. This, we said top shelf. My storage ran out, so I lost the good footage. But just a recap. So 1316. This is what 142. You can fill it with your double shot at the top, and then we have the reposado. That was a good middle ground. I like this one.
And the tequila blanco.
And the tequila blanco. And this one had the agave.
Yeah, 100%. All three, they're 100% of agave.
Gotcha. What Disney show was that where they had the fish nibbling on your feet? But that got side effects. Not tips or sex. I'm done. It's like this.
Hola, amigo.
Hola. This is so cool. What kind of fish are they?
It's garufa.
What is it?
Garufa.
Garufa?
Yes. That's perfect.
You're not ticklish, it's wonderful. You are ticklish, you will tickle.
Yeah, I'm ticklish.
You will tickle at first. Like she laughed the whole way through.
Really?
Whole 15 minutes.
That would definitely be me.
Did you go already?
Yeah, I've got it.
Really good.
Yeah, they do a good job. They take all-
I'm too ticklish to even consider it. So I'm not even.
There. We're getting our picture taken. Okay.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Check it out.
so bad this thing ain't got no motor on it or nothing.
Really heavy.
Yeah, this is too much. This will be a long ride.
At least it's only a mile.
Oh no, I gotta give him the whole 20. Yeah, baby, you get that whole 20. I can't hold you. The whole 20. So we are at Baja Lobster Company. So this is the Golden Zone area at the marina that I showed you guys earlier. So this is included in our all-inclusive plan. So we're in downtown Cabo, and this was like a short drive, that bicycle ride where homeboy was handling big business. He brought us like in this area, and it's actually like a little mall. This boats is really nice, like shopping plaza. So yeah, we have some more oysters coming, and we have a little mango margarita, frozen margarita. I'm not crazy about the flavor, but I do taste the alcohol enough for me not to send it back. So every 5 seconds, somebody trying to sell you something. Oh, this is the lobster roll. Looks definitely different than at home. And the fish tacos. I'm doing a quick recall. Because the food won't be mad early. The food won't be at 6:30, which is out of the company spot. And we look pool in my hot tub here. So the shower is so nice. I just did a quick recall. We did book out massages for tomorrow, so we'll be back tomorrow. But this is just a quick little thing on the roll. So nice, guys. So nice. Let me show you the shower. Look at this lovely shower. I love the green and the gravel. Yeah, so nice. Walk-in shower. So guys, this is the hydrotherapy circuit. It's so nice in here. But we'll be back and I can show you guys again tomorrow. And they have lockers, a bathroom. This is the little sauna area.
Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you at the crease. On speed, so body body. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you at the crease. On speed, so body body. Speed boats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my hand, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby.
We bougie today, y'all. Look at this spa. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Look at that view. We just got some fruit kebabs. Good morning, guys. Today is the ATV day. We're gonna do our ATVs. So right now, we're heading to breakfast. I'm dressed. And we're heading to breakfast. We're on the golf cart. He's taking us to breakfast at Los Marias, the same buffet we went to the other day. And then we're gonna come back to the lobby. We get picked up for ATVs at 10:45. So it should be fun. Oh yeah, we gotta make those reservations too. Alrighty, so guys, we're waiting in the lobby. It's time for ATVs now. Pickup will be at 10:45, 10:37. And he said they probably will be on Mexican time, so they probably won't get here until 11. But we're ready. It's gonna be in the vlog.
There we go. I'm ready for the ATVs today. There we go.
Yes.
Only vamos a hacer un despapalle en Mexico. Disaster.
You need to say that in English. He said no. Okay guys, we are at the location for the ATVs. It's really cute. And they have like a little bar area. We have a small group today. It's only 5 of us. So I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
We're gonna have a great time, Miss Mary. We're gonna
ATV time. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get any videos on it, but I wanted you guys to see the vibe, see the aesthetics, see what we're doing. So it's called Welcome to Catch Your Adventures. Just went down the hill. Smile, Janice. I'm okay. Thank you.
But your love's too original. You're anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Let me show you guys a better video of this spa. We done had a double shot of Patron, so I'm a little like, but we good. Spa time. Oh, you think that little 15% off will work for you?
Oh, we should add.
Yeah.
Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dead. You got something real, I bet. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna give me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, I bet.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times a can I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
Good morning, guys. This is our last full day in Cabo. We leave tomorrow. Last night we ended the night at dinner, as you guys saw. What did I have there? It was Los Riscos we went to. I had the salmon, and instead of the quinoa, I did mashed potatoes with it, and it was pretty good. And I was so full though, so I had to kind of stuff it down. But there are no microwaves in the room, but the food was quite delicious. And yeah, that's how we ended the night, and it was good. Janice got the red snapper, and she loved it. So yeah, it was a good experience last night. It was just funny because it was in the same place, the same restaurant building as where we have been going to breakfast, Las Marias. But they like have a different entrance, as I showed you guys, that you go through and all that jazz. But yeah, it was quite delicious. And then this morning we went to El Mestizo, I think it's called, for breakfast, as you guys saw, and that was pretty good too. It was basically the same thing they had at Las Marias, but honestly just less options, and Janice thought the almonds were a little better. So I just went back and got my shades, and Janice is going to be down in a few. She's still at the restaurant, but I had to go back and get my shades out the room. And so now we're just waiting to get picked up for Cabo Escape for our snorkeling / sea cruise. So I will see you guys when I get there.
Aquí y en Acapulco, Guerrero. Let's give it up for the supervisor, Brandon. Ladies and gentlemen, the best DJ all the way from Spain. Let's give it up for Mr. Saúl Jiménez. Y you know that one, everybody get up. Let's go dancing, mama. Vámonos. Oh, there's two whales.
He's big. I was about to say hi, puppy.
Don't insult them with that nonsense.
I'll say hi, puppy. He said, I will eat your puppies.
Me in the water with no life jacket. I can't do that. I don't know how to swim.
Why do you wear a life jacket?
Oh, I forgot my shoes.
Who know how to swim? Who know how to swim? Nobody? Everybody know how to swim.
Raise your hand if you know how to swim.
Well, black people, you black people know how to swim. Raise your hand. You know how to swim? You know how to swim?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, hold on. Somebody else can go. I need a minute.
Yes or no? Please. Come on, please.
Bust down, bitch, drowning.
Los hombres solteros. Los hombres solteros, the single boys. Hey, you're not single, my friend. What are you doing here?
I'm G to the L to the O, big gun. You can catch me at a traffic tent, slime with your if y'all be living fast, nah, full slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights.
Every time I'm with you, never wanted to come to an end.
Mikey from El Valle, the singles, the bartender, the singles. I single too, but I have 5 kids at home.
I'm lit. Janice lit. She knocked out. I just came to get some pizza. The boat was fun. Cabo Escape was very fun. Alrighty guys, this is the room finally. So we got a 2-bed garden view suite. So we're right here next to Il Forno. That's what it's called. And it's a pool right there, everything. We actually didn't even use that pool, but it's really nice. They have a little fridge stocked with stuff, but it is a charge. And the bathroom is really nice. We have a nice toilet here, plenty of counter space. And then this walk-in shower, which is just great. So yeah, this was the room.
and we are about to check out. Alrighty guys, this wraps up the trip. Last night we just didn't do anything else after the boat. The boat took us out. But this morning got some breakfast. I showed you guys the room. So now we're just waiting for our Uber to go back to the airport, and my hair's a mess, but that's how you know I had a good time. So it was a great trip. Cabo was an experience, definitely. I'm so happy and grateful to be able to be here. And I'm definitely gonna miss it. The warm weather. November was a perfect time to go. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.